Hey, Tad McClelland here. It's been a few weeks. I spent some time away. I did do some videoing beforehand, but lost some of my footage or never recorded it. Anyway, I will be going through and finishing up the cat wall that's behind me. One of them's already sleeping. But I'll be finishing that up, going through some of the process on that, and then I will be working on a few other projects in the near future. I've already, you can kind of see that I've already kind of started doing some remodeling, redoing a bedroom downstairs, or what was going to make a bedroom out of a bigger laundry room, and redoing the laundry room and the bathroom at the same time. So anyway, that's what's up. That's what's coming up, and yeah, looking forward to showing that to you and or sharing it with you. I might do a few other projects in the middle there, but that's what's coming up. I apologize for the lateness of getting this video out. Like I said, I think I lost some footage or just never had it, and did some traveling, helping some family out, visiting family, and moving my daughter and so on. Lots of traveling the last month. So, but yeah, summer's probably going to be just about as busy, but in between I'm going to be working on getting the house fixed and doing some other little projects, and I'll share them with you. But as for now, we'll finish up this cat wall video and get everything installed, and yeah, well, of course the cat's been enjoying it for a while. You can hear one of them right now. Anyway, enjoy.
Yellow.
Blue.
Lots of glue.
Glue, 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 glue.
Is that gonna be enough?
Be enough rope. Should be.
Definitely not enough rope.
That should be enough.
I'm waiting.
Okay, well, this is kind of the wrap-up video for at least this stage of cat climbing walls. So, yeah, got through a lot of them. Yeah, there might be some more in the future, but for right now, I figured I'd show you what I've got mounted. I do still have a little bit of painting and rope work to do on one of them, but anyway, I'll show you the mostly finished product. All right, so this is pretty much the existing. I started out over here on this corner. Got a little perch back here, and I'm gonna do a little short for this guillotine that I made years ago. It's kind of neat. Anyway, and of course I just decided to do all different colors on these perches. I don't know, just to mix it up a little bit. But this is one of the window units. And as you can see, I just kind of let the carpet go back to the window and cut it off. Yeah, anyway, there's one that's got a heat pad on it, and it goes pretty close to the ceiling. And this is one of them that you saw the other day. I need to finish wrapping the rope right there, and I'm just gonna paint the two ends. Where it's white, I'll just paint it black. I've got some pretty good black paint. Well used. Need to clean it up a little bit, but yeah, already cats are loving it. And you can barely see that. Yeah, that all thread still sticking through right there. This one was the last one that I did right there. And there's Gus. He's getting ready to jump up there right now. Go ahead, Gus. Meow. Meow. And then there's the other window unit. And yeah, usually I have the shades drawn. They can still, with as far as that sticks out, I just kind of leave the shade out a little bit. They can jump up in there and sit in behind the shade. Really like it. It's their own little private space. But yeah, I've got a few pictures as well that I'll set up after this. But anyway, that's pretty much where it's going to be for now. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.